Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you my February month's favorite. Let's get started. So the first product is this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Brighter Sunblock, which I am currently using. Which I am using is Requil Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid and Moisturizer. That I am using this natural skin toner from Wadi Herbs in fragrance. Pure lavender water. So this is like soothe your skin or calm your skin. So for concealer I use this Elegant Pure Conceal HD Definition. This is my favorite palette, which has like bronzer, highlighter and blush. So this is like whole kit which I most time I used it. So this is Love Earth Be the Change multi-pot, like you can use it on your lips, cheek and eyelid. So this is the this is the shade, and the shade name is Be the Change. I'm like obsessed. This is new lipstick from Too Faced and the shade name is Sell Out. The shade name is Sell Out and this is the shade. K Beauty translucent powder. So this is the hair product which I'm currently loving it. This is Anomaly leave-in conditioner. This is my favorite. And the nail paint which I'm currently using and I have used also. This is like, so the shade name is Pink Profile 340. So this is the shade. I have really liked it. It's Rene Bloom dish, and it smells so nice. Which I'm currently loving it is 30 days. Change your habit, change your life. So yeah, that's it. All these products which I'm currently loving in February month. So yeah, I hope you will like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much.